Sometimes people are afraid to make a polyvinyl alcohol solution themselves from PVA powder. With this video, there isn't any reason to be worried. I will show and explain how to use this solution as a stiffener for leather and silk in my other videos. Also, there is a short tutorial how to make slime from this magic PVA solution. These are two jars with liquid PVA. What is the difference? The difference is that the clear one was made 3 months ago. The cloudy one I made maybe 2 years ago. It hasn't lost its qualities. You can still use it as a stiffener or for making slime. The proportion for liquid PVA is for each 30 gram PVA powder, use 500 ml of water. I will use 60 grams, so I need to add 1 liter of water. You can simply use a tap water. I leave the mixture for about 1 hour until the PVA absorbs the water. You see that PVA isn't fully dissolved, there are still grains of powder. Fill the big saucepan with hot water and put it on a low heat. Put the bowl with our mixture in this saucepan with water. Stir the mixture until PVA is completely dissolved and mixture is consistent. You see, the PVA started to change its consistency. It has started dissolving. Stir it time to time, the more the better. It takes about 15 minutes for PVA grains to fully dissolve in the water and mixture is consistent. Let the solution cool a little bit. It's a good idea, before placing the solution into the jars, to strain it through material. This way we get rid of the smallest lumps. We can keep PVA solution in any container with closed lid for several years. The liquid isn't affected by cold or hot water. The most important thing is that you have to store it with closed lid, otherwise the film will form on the top. You can buy the PVA powder on my site or in my Etsy shop.